All right, so we have three players for the Florida Jamaica under 15 tryouts camp. You want to introduce yourselves, maybe starting from left to right, and just tell us like what's your name, where do you play, what position, what club?
I'm Jacob Hines. I play for Inter Miami U-15, and I play center mid.
Okay.
I'm Rico Dennis. I'm 15 years old. I play for Bold Type Performance
Where?
in Toronto, Canada.
Toronto. Okay.
I'm Dylan Thomas. I'm 15 years old. I play left wing and left back for Bars Wrestling in Arizona.
Arizona.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you from originally?
New York.
New York. Okay. Cool. Where are your parents from? Do you know? Where in Jamaica are your parents from?
Montego Bay.
Montego Bay. Okay. Have you ever been?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Waterhouse.
Waterhouse?
Yeah.
Okay. You said that with the accent.
Yeah.
Waterhouse. Okay.
Meadowbrook.
Meadowbrook? Okay. So we just finished the first day, so we had two sessions, one at 10 and one at 5. Any impressions in terms of what you did today?
It was a very intense session. Speed of play was high. I think the players were good. Good competition.
Hmm.
As you said, the speed of play is really high. Like it's higher than it is back home and stuff like that. So it's a good opportunity. Also.
Good.
The speed of play was very high, like you said, and it was a lot of hard work, a lot of running, and focusing on the technical part of it.
Okay. And tomorrow we have one last session at 10 a.m. where we're going to have, bigger fields, 11v11 with goalkeepers. Looking forward to that.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely showcase my skills.
Yeah.
See the other team.
Cool.
Yeah, of course, to showcase my offensive and defensive abilities, technically and offensively.
Cool.
Yeah, definitely looking forward to it because we've done a lot of technical work so far since we've been here. So I'm looking forward to being able to just get out and play and express myself.
All right, guys. Good to have you here. I'm looking forward to see y'all tomorrow.